2019 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control, heated front seats, rear window defroster, fog lights, compass, trip computer, security system, tachometer, brake assist, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, overhead console, driver vanity mirror. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.